سلام، من مجید هستم. قسمت 20 از Learn Persian as a Beginner. Today we're gonna talk about another modal verb, may, might, or its alternative, perhaps. As you can remember, for all our last modal lessons, we had this structure for want and the modal verb can, and this structure for should that we learned before. Last time can or could fell under this structure, but this time our modal verb may or might in Persian falls under this structure, which is that you have either this word momkene, which means maybe, or shaayad, which means perhaps. They are always fixed there without conjugation, nothing, and the rest you know well from our last lessons, which is be or sometimes bo plus stem plus endings. Examples could be I may buy a car. So you can choose either momkene or shaayad. یه ماشین بخرم. buy خریدن. stem خر. Then you have بخر. Then you have ending according to your subject. Let's see some examples. For each examples, we have both versions with perhaps and with may. And then we have negative, and then we have yes-no question, and then we have WH question. I may come late. The verb is اومدن. من or just without man ممکنه دیر بیام. Or you can say شاید دیر بیام. In my lesson for imperative, I told you that here, because we have be, a vowel, and here again a vowel, so we change this E or a sound to I, which is E. Perhaps I won't come late. ممکنه or شاید دیر نیام. The point is that here again your modals remain fixed here and you make your verb negative. So in this structure we go for the negative of the verb. Will you perhaps come late? Maybe you don't ask this question even in English. And in Persian it's also not very much used because normally you ask directly, will you come late? But here just for our lesson, let's make this question using this modal verb. ممکنه دیر بیای. Here it's really difficult or maybe impossible to use shaayad. It's really weird. So we just go for ممکنه. ممکنه دیر بیای. Is there this possibility that you come late? Why might you come late? چرا ممکنه دیر بیای؟ Another example, she may go out or she might go out. ممکنه or شاید بیرون بره. Negative, perhaps she won't go out. ممکنه or شاید بیرون نره. Will she perhaps go out? Do you think? ممکنه بیرون بره. Tonight, for example. امشب. When might she go out? کی ممکنه بیرون بره. For all of them, you can say بیرون after the verb. So I can say also ممکنه بره بیرون. I can say it is even more popular. شاید بره بیرون. شاید نره بیرون. ممکنه بره بیرون. کی ممکنه بره بیرون. Next example. We may watch a film tonight. Instead of watch, we can say see. دیدن. ممکنه امشب فیلم or you can say یه فیلم. Both of them correct. ممکنه امشب فیلم ببینیم. شاید امشب فیلم ببینیم. Perhaps we won't watch a film tonight. ممکنه or شاید امشب فیلم نبینیم. Will you perhaps watch a film tonight? ممکنه امشب فیلم ببینید. Is there this possibility? As I said, it's a little weird. I think we just directly ask, will you watch a film tonight? And in Persian we say, امشب فیلم میبینید. Normal question, without modal verb. What film might you watch tonight? I told you when you have what, question word what, and then a noun, then you say چه فیلمی. If it's like sport, you say چه ورزشی. Here we have چه فیلمی. What film might you watch tonight? چه فیلمی ممکنه امشب ببینید. Again, if I'm gonna ask this question, I would ask like this. What film are you gonna watch tonight? Or what film will you watch tonight? In Persian, I will also say چه فیلمی امشب میبینید. They might stay with us. ممکنه پیش ما بمونن. پیش ما means somebody stays with us at our home. شاید پیش ما بمونن. Perhaps they won't stay with us. ممکنه پیش ما نمونند. شاید پیش ما نمونند. Perhaps they will go to a hotel. Will they perhaps stay with us? ممکنه پیش ما بمونند. Do you think? Where might they stay? کجا ممکنه بمونند. For example, to hotel. He might be at home. ممکنه خونه باشه. As you know, باش in this structure is irregular. So it's always باش plus endings. ممکنه خونه باشه. شاید خونه باشه. If I change that like this, he might be sick. What would you say? ممکنه مریض باشه. Perhaps he's not at home. ممکنه خونه نباشه. شاید خونه نباشه. Is he perhaps at home? ممکنه خونه باشه. Where might he be? کجا ممکنه باشه. So here we have 6 more examples. For 3 of them, I will provide you with answers. But these last 3 ones are for you. It's your homework. You can write your answers in the comment section if you like. It might be wrong. Again, we have be, which is irregular, which is always باش. شاید or ممکنه اشتباه باشه. She might be tired. شاید خسته باشه. ممکنه خسته باشه. Perhaps I won't work tomorrow. شاید or ممکنه فردا کار نکنم. So this is easy. You see, it's like this. It's like this. We might lose the game. This verb we had before. This verb we had before. Lose. So you can easily make this sentence as well. Perhaps I can't. Here you have 2 modals. Let's see how you can make this sentence. May as permission, like may I have your number? It's like can, that I said that a new lesson in Persian words and phrases is coming maybe tomorrow. There I will cover this structure with a lot of examples. So that was all. Khuda Hafiz.